your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. Now do the cameras. 1, 2, 3. I would say about the same time. And while we're at the camera, let's go ahead and test them out. So let's take a picture with the LG Q7 first. And now we'll do the same thing with the Galaxy A6. By the way, they both have 16 megapixel rear facing cameras, but the A6 has a 16 megapixel front facing camera compared to the 8 megapixel front facing camera that's on the LG Q7. Let's go ahead now and open both pictures. Let's put them side to side. And as you guys can see, the camera that's on the Galaxy A6 is way better than the LG Q7 Plus. By the way, you guys can see both of these photos on my Instagram at JGTechBlog, so make sure you guys follow us on there. So now let's go to the next test and see which one turns on PUBG first. 1, 2, 3. So you have the A6 at the top and the LG Q7 at the bottom. Alright, so we see that the A6 is turning on faster, and now the LG Q7 came on. A6 is already ready to play. Still waiting on the Q7. Now the Q7 is ready. So as you guys can see, the speed is much faster with the Galaxy A6. I'm gonna have a full PUBG gameplay, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload that video. I'm actually surprised that the Galaxy A6 is reacting to things much faster than the LG Q7. If you look at the specs of both of these phones, you have a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor on the Samsung A6, while you have a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor on the LG Q7. But not only that, the LG Q7 has a Snapdragon 450 processor compared to the 1.6 GHz Exynos 7AA4 that's on the Galaxy A6. Snapdragon is known to be better than the Exynos processors, but because Samsung makes its own processor chips, it is optimized much better than the Snapdragon 450. And we can see that firsthand while we're doing the tests. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.